with the CRMs and the software platforms, we're trying to be the data layer that powers the future of AI in real estate. Thank you.
Participating in South by Southwest is a terrific opportunity to put on stage some of the thought leadership in terms of housing development in America.
Let me start with housing is one of the biggest financial decisions of anybody's life in terms of that investment. It's a scary investment. And so one of the biggest things when you start looking at a celebrity is how do we deliver trust and how do we earn it very quickly?
Austin's success, in my view, is as a result of its willingness to accept change and to do things new and differently. Enjoy South by Southwest.
What we see is that single women are always outpacing single men, and they're always second only to married couples in the housing market. So they truly are this tremendous force.
So I'm the chief economist at Realtor.com. I study the housing market, and we've got some really great panels tomorrow, including one that I'm on called Why Housing is Key to the American Dream. We're going to talk about how homeownership helps households build up wealth and then share that wealth with future generations. I don't think that homeownership as a means of wealth building will go away. The fact that so many people see it as part of the American dream and key to enabling them to control some element of their future destiny